Welcome to the Motus Video Zone, where you get to take your study routine from the page to the video to the streets. This combination of print and video learning is designed to make you a better driver and give you a winning edge on test day. Okay, let's get started. This is your final yard test maneuver, the turn in the road. While you're watching this video, think about how so many of these routines are becoming familiar with each maneuver. Parking brake, clutch control, signals, observations, and mirrors should all become second nature the more you practice. The turn in the road, also known as the three-point turn, requires you to make a 180 turn within a 12 by 9 meter roadway. You must accomplish this in only 3 movements, 2 forward and 1 reverse. You must start the maneuver with the entire vehicle on the left-hand side of the road and exit facing in the opposite direction and on the opposite side of the broken center line. You'll be given only 1 attempt to complete this maneuver. You must not allow any wheel to touch the outer demarcation lines, mount the curb, or allow the vehicle to roll. These actions will result in immediate failure. Your examiner will direct you to the starting point of the three-point turn maneuver. Once you have positioned your vehicle, apply the parking brake, select neutral, and wait for instructions. Begin your turn by checking your rear view mirror and blind spot to the right. Now signal your intention. Select first gear, obtain clutch control, check your 360 degrees for hazards, release your parking brake, and move off driving forward while turning your steering wheel as far as possible to the right. Just before stopping, counter steer to the left. Stop and apply your parking brake if applicable. That's 1 move. Now check your rear view mirror and blind spot to the left. Signal intention, select reverse gear, obtain clutch control, and check your 360 degrees for hazards. Release your parking brake if applicable and move off in a rearward direction and turn the steering wheel to the left. Counter steer to the right just before stopping and apply parking brake if applicable. That's move 2 done. Now, check your rear view mirror and blind spot to the right. Signal your intention, select first gear, obtain clutch control, and check your 360 degrees for hazards. Release your parking brake if applicable and move off driving forward, keeping left and cancel your signal. That's it. 3 moves. Now remember, you will lose points if you turn the steering wheel while the vehicle is stationary or fail to straighten the wheels before coming to a standstill. Once you have begun this maneuver, you may stop at any time, then proceed on in the same direction. Moving off in the same direction will not be considered an additional movement. If you're stopped for more than 5 seconds, you must perform your observations before moving off. Congratulations! You have now completed the yard test maneuvers. While some routines may seem long and complicated, there is the comfort of repetition in the basics for each test that will help these actions to become second nature. It really just takes practice. Tell your friends to do their K53 the Motus way, with DigiMag access to the Safeway's Video Zone, which helps lock the routines and maneuvers firmly in your memory. For more information, get the Motus K53 at all good retailers across South Africa.